This is what it looks like at Snoqualmie Pass right now. That is when you enter the no fun zone, folks. And we'll continue with that theme. This is what it looks like at Vantage just before you start heading up the hill towards Snoqualmie Pass. You can see there's snow on the road there as well and slush. Lookout Pass, oh my gosh, it looks terrible. As you can see, if you don't have to travel across it, don't. And then when we take a look at 4th of July Pass, you can see there's fresh snow also on the road. You can see the ruts there from the tires there towards the bottom of your screen. Temperature-wise, we're now below freezing at 30 degrees, 31 in Deer Park, 28 degrees in Coeur d'Alene. It's 32 in Wallace. Still warm air down to the south of us, so it's been a rain event in Colfax and Pullman with temperatures there, as you can see, in the mid to upper 30s. Above freezing temperatures in Ritzville, and then we're back to below freezing temperatures from Moses Lake to Wenatchee to Mazama. When you look at the latest satellite and radar picture, you can see that we have rain to the south of us, and just as it hits the Spokane area, it changes back over to a wet snow, and in some areas a rain-snow mix, but for the most part it's pretty much just been a wet snow. Here's a closer view with the 5 radars we've got going on, and you can see again that pink indicates that real wet snow that is falling, and then we've got just rain to the south of us. So it looks like as you get towards maybe out in the valley, it's more of a wet snow, but then south of Liberty Lake, the Doppler radar is assigning the fact that it looks like it might be rain. So we're right on the cusp of it being either rain or snow. But we do think in the overnight hours it's going to change all over into snow. The blue indicates snow. This is Future Tracker, computer model. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, snow will begin to move into the area, stick around through 11:30 about noontime, and then it will move to the north of us. So we're thinking maybe 1 to 2 inches of wet snow in the Spokane area. Tomorrow morning, though, is going to be very, very icy, as we've had quite a bit of melting during the daytime, and now we're looking for overnight lows to drop down below freezing. We should see a low of 27 degrees in Spokane, and then we may get up to 36. So again, we'll melt snow, and then the roads will freeze up again Friday night into Saturday. Look for a low of 30 in Pullman, then a high of 34. Colville drops all the way down to 26. Then you'll see a daytime high of 38 degrees. Here's a look at your 10-day outlook. I've got, again, that sloppy weather, especially in the morning hours in Spokane. We'll look for mostly dry weather over the weekend. There's a slight chance of snow on Saturday and Sunday, and then the cold weather returns next week with overnight lows dropping down into the teens, and many of those days, at least through Thursday, daytime highs will stay below freezing. So we're not going to melt any of this anytime soon.